Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Spices and More. In today's video, let's see how to prepare healthy and nutritious ragi chocolate pudding. Now most of you will wonder, right, how chocolate can be healthy? But by shifting some ingredients and replacing it with healthy stuff, it is possible to satisfy your taste buds in a very nutritious way. Kids often try to run away from ragi, but make it this way and they will demand more, as it's very difficult to resist oneself in one bite. Diabetics are often advised to consume ragi as a good substitute for white rice and wheat, as it helps in maintaining blood sugar level, cholesterol levels and keep the cravings at bay. So let's start with this recipe and see what all we need to make this wonderful ragi chocolate pudding. For this, I've taken about 3/4 cup of ragi, soaked it overnight in a water. Studies have shown that consuming ragi on daily basis helps in dealing with conditions like insomnia, anxiety and depression. Next, I've added little water to the ragi and I'll be making fine paste out of this. I've ground it very finely, as you can see on the screen. Now next, strain this ragi mixture with the help of a strainer and extract all the ragi juice. I'm straining it thoroughly and extracting as much juice as possible from the ragi. Next, I added little more water and I'll remove out all the leftover of ragi from the mixer grinder and add it to the strainer. And after adjusting with water, I got about 500 ml of ragi juice. I added this leftover residue of ragi into the plants, and it is very healthy and nutritious for their growth, so please don't discard it. Next, I have greased the one big plate with little ghee, heated a pan and adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, and we are starting with the pudding process. Next, I have added ragi extract, which I got earlier, about 500 ml. Mix it thoroughly, and at first if you notice some lumps, then don't worry, they will dissolve gradually. So keep on mixing it, stir it properly and keep the flame on low to medium. Don't keep the flame on high. Next, I am adding about 500 ml of coconut milk. Took 2 cups of grated coconut and grinded it and extracted coconut milk out of it. Now add this coconut milk into the ragi mixture. Stir it continuously and keep the flame on low to medium. Do not increase the flame. Next, I have taken about 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and I diluted this with the hot water, as if you add cocoa powder directly to the ragi mixture, there are high chances that the lumps will be formed. And stir it continuously. If you keep on stirring it continuously, the mixture will be lump free first, and secondly it will be very smooth and creamy in texture. Next, I am adding in 3/4 cup of grated jaggery. You can increase up to 1 cup. Then give it a mix again and let the jaggery melt completely. This ragi is rich in fiber, so please add this ragi as much as possible into day-to-day diet. Next, I am adding in 1/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts. Again mix it. You can use any mixed nuts of your choice. I'm scraping off all the sides and mixing it thoroughly, and in some time you will see this mixture will start turning very thick. After about continuously stirring for 5 to 6 minutes, the mixture has started thickening. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it. It will give nice taste and flavor. Now you can see the mixture is very thick and our pudding is almost done. To give that glossy look, I am adding in 1 tablespoon of ghee or the clarified butter. With this, the pudding will have that shiny glossy look. Give it a mix. And now I'll do the spoon test to see that the pudding is set and is not in runny consistency and it's perfect in texture. Now I'll be adding in little vanilla essence to give that flavor and taste for the pudding. Give it a mix. It's very creamy, thick and chocolatey. Stirring it just for about 2 seconds more. And lastly, I'll be adding in pinch of salt to balance all the flavors. Give it a mix and pour in the pudding into the plate that we greased earlier. Garnish it with the nuts of your choice. I'm using here almond flakes and semi-sweet chocolate chips. Make it as nutritious and as healthy as possible with the nuts also. Chocolate chip will give more additional chocolatey flavor for the pudding. You can skip it if you don't want. And a healthy, nutritious, yummy ragi chocolate pudding is ready to be served. I hope you liked and enjoyed today's recipe. If so, then please try it at home. It can be a great guilt-free indulgence and a replacement for any sugary dessert. Hit that like button, share this recipe with your loved ones, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed so far. Thank you for your valuable time and thank you for watching my recipes. See you in my next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.